Covestro, for us, innovation is really everywhere and everyone, but occasions like these, the Fakuma, is of course an ideal opportunity to do that together with our customers. The three pillars that we see are material innovation, application innovation, and business model innovation. And for us, they really are very closely linked. Our material alone is not going to make it. We need to also help through application development to make them work at our customers in innovative new parts. But we also go beyond that. We innovate in new business models, new ways of doing business through e-platforms, e-trading, business platforms, where we just go uncharted waters.
Maser is our plastic composite material based on unidirectional tapes. And these tapes we can combine to sheets like this, metal-like, you can do it like that. On the other hand, you have also plastic-like properties. So it's really something in between, something really new. You have this playground of the colors. You can go for coating, which is really unique for composites. They can be easily coated. They are compatible with adhesives. So there's a real big room for things you can do. And this again is appreciated by many industries.
This year we are showcasing our new innovations for the LED and general lighting industry, especially very transparent polycarbonate, the LED 5102, and our thermal conductive polycarbonate. We try to position ourselves in the industry with more sustainable materials, and one aspect is more transmission and to have higher lumen per output, which this is what our customers are looking for. And this material is helping our customers to develop more efficient luminaires. Together with the industry, we are looking into the trends and try to develop new products which are actually bringing out the potential of LEDs.
What we are offering in 3D printing is basically a broad portfolio of different materials that can be used for the main technologies available in the field of 3D printing, which would be filaments, powders, and liquids. Of course, sports and leisure is looking very much into 3D printing, but it also gets more and more attention in automotive, in construction, medical devices. So basically, 3D printing is interesting for all kinds of industries.
Innovation is an important part of our company culture, and therefore we will constantly challenge today's technology status quo and follow up creative ideas by asking, why not? Let's try.